Hi there, I'm Reza from Gamey Audio. This is the Creative Audio Techniques or CATS video about a student project called Alone in Nightmares made by GameCue's Indie Games. The game is still in its early stage, so we decided to take the part that looks most elaborate, the gradual change of the time of day. So basically we have 24 in-game hours, and the only thing we can put some creative ideas in is the weird color scheme in the evening and at night. The developers told us there will be something odd happening at night, but still undefined what exactly. And they also told us to take a look at some games they were inspired with, like The Lone Dark, The Forest, and Pathologic. For practical reasons, we decided to use Wwise. Here is a classical blend container with crossfades, different types of wind for every time of day, boring. And they also added the altitude parameter with some additional wind layers to make it more variable. Still boring. The first idea for creating something out here was to synthesize the wind we hear at night. Here we have several instances of Synth 1 with several types of noise and several custom LFOs, controlling low pass, high pass, makeup gain. When it's crossfaded with normal wind, we can hear the difference. The idea is to create uncanny valley effect. This is definitely not weird enough, so the next step I took was contact my dear friend Vasily Kashnikov, or Mushroomer, who appears to be the composer and sound designer behind Pathologic 2. And he told me he actually used a lot of metaphysical function of reactor. So I just went ahead, recorded some of the generated soundscapes in Reaper and put them into random containers, which are playing at night with some probability. Looks like that. Then I decided to add some wildlife, so we have one-shot animal calls, the squirrel talking during the daytime, as well as the crow, the owl, and the dove. Cheers to all Nightwish fans here. They have random range positioning, so the sound can basically come from any side. I also put a guitar distortion effect on the whole animal thing and tweaked the RTPC controlling the distortion drive, so the comp curve adds crunchy distortion at times. And the whole soundscape looks like this. Thank you for watching. If you're an indie game developer and you have some tasty game mechanics for us to create for the cats, please contact us at info@gameyaudio.nl. This is Monsieur, the project manager.